cigarettes, BDs, and water pipes. According to WHO, tobacco kills up to half of its users. There are more than 7,000 chemicals in tobacco smoke, of which at least 250 are known to be harmful and at least 69 are known to cause cancer. Tobacco kills more than 8 million people each year. More than 7 million of those deaths are the result of direct tobacco use, while around 1.2 million are the result of non-smokers being exposed to second-hand smoke. It is so addictive where it makes people draw away from basic needs to tobacco. This leads to poverty and many other economic costs. Also causes serious respiratory diseases, including heart diseases, cancer, stroke, lung diseases, diabetics, and many others. On average, smokers die 10 years earlier than non-smokers. For every person who dies because of smoking, at least 30 people live with a serious smoking-related illness. Each day, about 2,000 people younger than 18 years smoke their first cigarette. Each day, over 300 people younger than 18 years become daily cigarette smokers.